A major change is coming for how the government maintains the road network and awards state contracts for building roads. It will include stricter penalties for some users who continue to destroy those roads. This comes as the government moves to build out a more resilient road network in the wake of Hurricane Melissa. Kalisha Williams has that story.
Hurricane Melissa decimated the already poor road infrastructure in sections of the island, a problem that will cost the government billions of dollars to fix. Speaking at a function hosted by the Master Builders Association of Jamaica on Tuesday, Minister with responsibility for works, Robert Morgan, said as the government moves to build more resilient roads in the aftermath of the hurricane, some significant changes will be made. For instance, addressing a big nuisance to road maintenance in the country.
You go to the corner of Dunrobin and Constant Swing Road, cement. Barbican, cement. And every person here who drives has the experience of cement. And the engineers will tell you cement and asphalt do not mix. Asphalt is an elastic compound, cement is a rigid compound. Asphalt is meant to expand, cement is not.
And so he said the government is no longer interested in having more conversations with cement truck drivers. In pointing to the cost to taxpayers, he stressed that in 2024 alone, the government spent $7 billion for routine road maintenance.
And we're imploring the cement truck drivers and owners that we have warned enough, we have encouraged enough, we have pleaded enough. We're going to implement a section of the Road Traffic Act that says if something emanates from the vehicle you're driving that damages the road infrastructure, the fine is $300,000. We have not implemented it before, but we're going to implement it now.
Which means for every time cement falls from a truck and the offender is identified, a $300,000 fine will be incurred. Then for road contractors, more changes in the procurement process. Mr. Morgan said too often contractors continue to underperform, but they are still being awarded contracts.
We're working with the Public Procurement Commission and the World Bank to create a framework of grading contractor performance. It's a very careful dance that we have to manifest, because no contractor is going to want to accept that they're a bad performer. So there's a lot of...
To achieve that, Mr. Morgan said, objective tests will have to be implemented to ensure that contractors are not unfairly graded and to prevent legal issues. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.